What's up, everybody? This is Danny Mathematics again here, ready to explore another example. And today, guys, we're going to go over laws of exponents, and we're going to attack example 11. So now in example 11, guys, we have parentheses 2x to the second power, parentheses close, to the fourth power, right? Times parentheses 3x to the fifth power, parentheses close, all to the second power. So if you notice, guys, unlike the other previous examples, right? We have exponents on the outside of the parentheses, meaning that everything within the parentheses is also going to be to the power of 4. Okay? So here's how we're going to do that, guys. We're just going to simply do this. So the coefficient of 2 is going to become 2 to the power of 4. Okay? 2 to the power of 4. Okay? Now, I just want to explain the x squared to the power of 4, right? So let me just put this real quick, and I just want to show y'all what I mean. So once again, we have x squared, right, to the power of 4, right? That means that we're going to multiply x squared to itself 4 times, right? So we're going to multiply x squared to itself 4 times, right? So remember, guys, whenever we're multiplying values that have exponents, all we have to do is just add the exponents. So x squared plus x squared plus x squared plus x squared equals x to the 8th power. Because 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 6 plus 2 is 8. So that's to the 8th power, right? So that's what that means, right? So that's why we can simply look at it like this. We can just multiply 2 and the 4 together to get 8. So x squared all to the 4th power is actually x to the 8th power. Okay? So I just wanted to show y'all that demonstration real quick. So once again, x squared to the 4th power is actually x to the 8th power. Okay? Now, same thing over here. We're going to have times. Once again, we have 3x to the 5th power, all to the 2nd power, right? So that's going to turn into 3 squared, or 3 to the 2nd power, right? And then once again, x to the 5th power, x to the 5th power to the 2nd power is just like saying x to the 10th power, because once again, we will have 2x to the 5th powers, and 5 plus 5 equals 10, right? Or 5 times 2 equals 10, okay? So it's going to be x to the 10th power, okay? So now, guys, we have successfully gotten rid of the outside exponents, right? The exponents that are on the outside of the parentheses, okay? Now, all we need to do now, guys, is group like terms. We're going to group like terms. Okay? So we're going to group the coefficients first. Okay? I'm just going to put a line, 2 lines under them so you see what I'm saying. So we're going to group 2 to the 4th power with 3 to the 2nd power. So it's going to be 2 to the 4th power times 3 to the 2nd power. Okay? And then we're just going to put those in their own parentheses. Okay? And then next, guys, we have the x's. I'm just going to put a circle under them so you can see them. All right? So we're going to group x to the 8th power with x to the 10th power. Okay? Now, we're almost done, guys. All we need to do is just simplify, okay? Now, in the first parentheses, we have 2 to the 4th power. 2 to the 4th power equals 16, because that's 2 times 2, which is 4, times the third 2, which is 8, times the fourth 2, which is 16. So that's going to be 16. Okay? Times 3 squared, or 3 to the 2nd power, just like saying 3 times 3. So that's going to be 3 to the ninth power, okay? And then we can go ahead and solve those. 16 times 9 is 144. 16 times 9 is 144, okay? So now, let's do this next parentheses. We got x to the 8th power times x to the 10th power, which turns into x to the 8th plus 10th power. X to the 8th plus the 10th power, right? All right, once again, all we have to do is just add the exponents. 8 plus 10 is 18. Okay, so that's going to turn into x to the 18th power. Okay, and then we just combine it with 16 times 9, which is 144. So this right here, guys, is our final answer. 144x to the 18th power. Okay, please be on the lookout, guys, for example 12. And remember, guys, whenever you have an exponent that's on the outside of the parentheses, that means everything inside has to be to that exponent or to that power, right? Or everything inside, you have to multiply the exponents by that power, okay? So, and once again, guys, 2 is just basically saying 2 to the first power, right? 1 times 4 is 4. That's why it turns into 2 to the 4th power, and then x to the 2nd power, right? To the 4th power, right, is x to the 2nd power, right? And then the power, you just multiply by 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. That turns into x to the 8th power, x to the 8th power. So once again, guys, this is the extra step that you need to do in order for you to solve these problems correctly. Thank y'all so much, guys. I will upload another example soon. Thank you.